Hi, this is worked example 1 from chapter 9. We're doing annuities in 9.1. So an annuity is just a savings account, and it works very similarly to the loans that we were doing earlier in the previous chapter. However, this time we're investing, so we add the interest and we also add the deposit. So we're going to use the same sort of variables as we did earlier, but as I said, we're adding this time. So an initial deposit of $10,000 was made on an investment taken out over 5 years at a rate of 6% per annum, interest calculated monthly, and an additional deposit of $500 is made each month. So we're going to complete the table for the first 5 deposits, calculate how much interest was earned over this time, and what was the value of the annuity after 5 months. So our initial deposit I'm in the wrong pen. Our initial deposit is equal to $10,000. That's the beginning. Our actual deposit is $500. The interest is going to be equal to 6 divided by 100. We need it as a percent. As a decimal, and then it's happening every month, so we need to divide by 12. And this is equal to 0.005. So I think I have all that I need. I have the value that I've got to determine the interest. I have the deposit, and the value at the end of the month is just going to be adding those things on. So let's go back. This is step by step. I'm going to jump to a spreadsheet and fill out a table. So our initial interest is in our initial month here. It's in the first month we start with $10,000. Our interest is equal to the value the value at the start of the month multiplied by 0.005. That's the interest for every month. And that gives me 0. Why does that? Oh, B28? I don't think so. B2. B2, that will give me $50. I'm adding $500, and the value at the end of the month is going to be the sum of this value. Actually, it's all the way through, plus this value plus this value. All right. Now, the value at the end of the month is the same as the value at the beginning of the previous one. So we copy that down. And now I can just drag this down. The deposit doesn't change, so I'm just going to select both of those and drag them down for the 5 months. I'm going to pick this one and drag it down for the 5 months, and I'll get zeros there. That's fine. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to pull this one down, and hopefully all the other cells will fill in. All right, so that's looking pretty good. Here, don't forget we need to round to 2 decimal places. So if I go home, I should be able to do that on my spreadsheet. Viewer. No, it doesn't like doing that. Here, maybe here, if I select just those. Oh, just to 1, I want to go out 1. And same, maybe the same here. So let's go in and then go back 1. I want to go to 2. Okay, so now I can. This allows me to do the part B, which is how much interest did I earn over that time. So we're going to go is equal to the sum. We add all of these up. Ooh, escape. What's happened here? Oh, no, got it. I don't want to do that. I want to go equals the sum. Oh. Dear me. Hang on, let's go. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. And you've already done it, haven't you? Here, it's not doing it for me. I don't want to spill. Take that out, delete. Okay, what I want to do is go the the sum. Correct, that's what I want to find, and it's $277.63. It actually would round to 64, and the value, so that's my answer for B here. And here is my answer for C, which is what is the value at the annuity at the end of 5 months. Here is the answer to question C, reading from our table. It would be $12,774. So I hope that's